So we've just looked at how the Ethernet frame looks like, but now we're going to be doing a bit more. We're going to look at how traffic will be passed based on the VLAN. And so what we want to know is that, first of all, one thing you have to understand is this. You can only send information from the same VLAN to the same VLAN. So VLAN 20 to VLAN 20. You cannot send from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 using the trunk link. And so here, what you notice is this. VLAN 20 here has 2 ports. VLAN, this is having 2 ports. It doesn't have to be always the case. You can also see that this is our trunk link. But there's also VLAN 10 here, which is 1 here. So we're saying that this link should be able to, that again, here you can see the color. Let's say this is pink or a bit off red. And this is, let's say, a bit off blue or something. Now, it means this link can send VLAN 20 information, can send VLAN 10 information. But this guy can only communicate with this guy. These guys can only communicate with this guy. That's what we're saying with the trunk link. When it gets here, the device will check which place are you going to? Are you going to VLAN 10? Okay, if you're going to VLAN 10, then I'll send it to VLAN 10. Now, how do we know this? Let's assume this guy wants to send information. The information will be first sent to the switch. The switch will know that this guy is in VLAN 10 because of the port number. The switch already knows. Once it sees it, at the back of its head, the switch is the same switch. So the switch is okay. Since I have to send it, this guy is in VLAN 10. When I get to the trunk port, I'm going to add a tag, the VLAN 10 tag. And so here is adding VLAN 10. The reason why it's adding VLAN 10 is just sending a signal to this port on the other side, telling him that, hey, something is coming. Make sure that you send it to only VLAN 10. Later on, you see why it is important and why trunk links are important for security reasons. When we get a bit higher in security, you see that. So when this guy gets the information, it will see that, hey, the tag is VLAN 10 tag. So it will only send it out to all VLAN 10s and say, hey, who is having maybe this MAC address or who is having this IP address? And then that person will also reply. And then because when they reply, the MAC address will be recorded and this guy will send it to that person. And so the information will only be sent to VLAN 10 if the tag is a VLAN 10 tag. If these people were the ones sending it, then the tag will be VLAN 20. And also it means that when this guy gets it, so this is more like a way these two ports would communicate. They only communicate with tags. So when you receive it, check the tag. When you remove it, then you send it to only people in that particular VLAN. It's just a message. So the tag is just a message. So VLAN tagging is sometimes referred to as frame tagging because the frame is just the Ethernet is layer 2 packet, which we're sending. But because we're going to be adding a tag, and so we call it tagging, whether it's a VLAN, but normally it's a VLAN tag. We have different types of tagging, but basically this VLAN tagging is also called frame tagging. There's another protocol, MPLS, which also does a different type of tagging, so labeling, which is a different concept altogether. But yes,